Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix a LiPo battery that just doesn't want to charge anymore. You probably let it sit for too long and the cells have gone bad, but there's a way to work around it, so I'll show you here. This one, cell error. This one just doesn't want to charge, but there's a workaround, and it's definitely not something you want to do very often. It's a temporary fix, but I'll show you what to do. If you go through to your settings and change it to a nickel metal hydride battery, put it on a slow 2 amp or less charge. You don't want to go too high. It'll trick it and think that it's a nickel metal hydride battery, and it will charge. You can revive the dead cells and get it charged up just enough to where you can swap it back over to LiPo balance. So I'll let that go for a minute and then we'll come back. Alright, so now that we have let that sit for a little while, I went ahead and stopped it. You don't want to let it go for too long, just enough to get the cells revived. Go back into your settings and go back to LiPo battery, and then put it at whatever normal settings you usually use. And there it goes. It detects all the cells and it's charging back up. Now, that is definitely not something you want to do very often. I don't really recommend it, but if you want to save some money and don't have to buy another battery, that's an easy way to revive your dead one. But definitely don't want to do it very often. Always want to try to, if you're not going to use it, you always want to try to charge it for storage. But there you have it guys, an easy fix to a dead battery, and it's all good to go.